Hello students, in this concept we are going to discuss about scalar quantities. Okay, so while dealing with scalar quantities, the addition or subtraction of two or more than two scalar quantities simply follow algebraic law of addition. That is, if we have two quantities, one quantity has a value p1 and the other quantity has a value p2, then the resultant of these two quantities can be simply added by writing p1 plus p2. So let us say we have two mass, one is of 1 kilogram and the other mass is of 2 kilogram. Then by putting these two masses together, the total value of mass is simply 3 kilogram. Or we have a 3 kilogram mass and we remove 1.5 kilogram from this, so what is left with us is simply 1.5 kilogram. So here we can simply add or subtract by using simple algebraic rule of addition. While when we are dealing with vector quantities like force, so if on a body two different forces like F1 and F2 is applied, F1 is of 1 Newton and F2 is of 2 Newton, then the resultant force cannot be simply written as 3 Newton or 1 Newton, but to calculate the resultant value we need to know the direction of two forces as well. So this is a big difference between calculating the resultant of two vector quantities and while calculating the resultant of two scalar quantities. Okay, so thank you students.